Hey guys, you're really gonna like. We're doing our first DIY tutorial. You're gonna really like this if you're a gamer and play Zelda, but it's gonna be a realistic DIY Rupee tutorial. Now, here's how. I'm just gonna. Okay, you need a laminator, a outlet, a lamination paper, and put some paper. And now, let's do this. Put that out of the way. So, as you can see, I put the paper inside the laminating paper. Now turn on the laminator. Doing this on the floor. Select what you want. 3. Three is recommended for laminate. I recommend setting it to 3. This is a Fellows Saturn 3i 125. So I set it to 3, and I'm gonna put the laminating paper inside it. Once it goes beep. So it just went beep, and I'm about to put the laminating paper in. Put the side that is opposite. Put the side, not this side, but this. See this side? You can't open it. That's the side you want to put in first. You probably already know that if you have a laminator. Now let it sit. Make sure that there is no dust or grime and stuff inside it. It doesn't really matter if it's outside.
I'm gonna write down the slide. Hey, I want to write down the slide. Okay, here I come.
Okay, you might get really bored. Finished laminating, and it's still really hot. So I'm gonna turn the laminator off and unplug it, and replug the thing I already had in there. Beep. So there you have your laminated paper. Okay, this is the fun part. Choose a cellophane spray. Choose any cellophane spray paint, and there are certain options that I'll show in the next part. So here are So I'm gonna show you the Rupee colors, and I'll tell you what the currency is. So these are the Rupee colors you have. I'll just let you stare at them for a minute. So silver at the bottom is actually worth 200 rupees. If you don't know what rupees are, they are the currency in Legend of Zelda video games. Then purple should be a little more beautiful right there. And I'll correct it in the next part. Green is worth 1 rupee. So blue is worth 5 rupees. Gold is worth 300 rupees. And that is not cellophane colored, it's solid colored. And red is 20 rupees. Silver is 200 rupees. Green is 1 rupee, and purple is 50 rupees. Is it all corrected? I'm guessing the only one you'll notice that is different is the purple one. I changed that so that it's a better and closer color to the rupee. And I did gold in yellow because I didn't have a golden color. So make sure you get a beautiful golden. And now, in the next part, I'm gonna show you. Well, not next part, like another video. Like when I say next part, I mean I'm using multiple videos for this. So, on the next part, I'll show you in the next video of this video, I'll show you the pattern you will need to use. Well, a pattern similar. The template, since I had a printer that was not working well, it came out just the right size. I know. I'm making a small one. So I'll give you a link in the description of where I got this. And I didn't print out the full thing. So see? The skinny lines, the ones that are slightly brighter, you fold. The outer lines you cut. And if you see any blanks, just cut over those. See that blank right there? Just cut in between the ending of the line and the other ending. So those smaller lines you fold on. Once it's all cut out, you fold on the smaller, slightly brighter lines. And you in the tabs of which are these things. You have. I'll tell you what to do with those. Well, you glue them onto the other side. You glue them to the other tab, which I don't recommend. I recommend you gluing it to the rupee itself. And you get to choose from these colors. I'm using US letter. And your laminated paper will allow you to see. Well, you will be able to slightly see through it. So put your thing under and then trace on the rupee with washable marker after you've painted it with cellophane, which we'll do in the next video in fast forward. So if you actually won't want to, well, on the template, on the template that you use, don't actually fold. Go.
Are you on the phone?
Making a video.
Did Daddy say you could be on the screen?
Dad lets me do creative video making stuff. Sorry about that. So, on this template, you don't actually fold the paper. You just trace on it once you've got all the cellophane, colored. Well, it's like clear color stuff. So you don't fold the actual paper. When you've got actually the whole thing done. So I haven't actually done the cellophane spray on it yet. Sorry about that. But when you do it, put the template under it and then trace the rupee out. Then I'll show you what to do. Oh, come on. There's bugs flying everywhere. There's something on the screen. There we go.